Welcome to Stunt Lab. Today I'm going to introduce you to our Indy air ramp ratchet combo, which is a state-of-the-art air ramp ratchet that we can take anywhere in the world and bring state-of-the-art stunt technology quickly and easily. So welcome to Stunt Lab. This is the revolutionary new Indy air ramp. It is unique that it's a straight rate air ramp, which is different than my other models. My other models were progressive rate air ramps, but there's certain advantages to this system, which is the ease in which you can train people, and also the system is excellent for doing tricks. This is the drive unit, and this is the ratchet unit. The ratchet is a 4-foot stroke ratchet, which is our calibrated soft pull ratchet system, which is specially designed to have an extremely smooth takeoff. I don't think there's another ratchet anywhere in the world that has as smooth takeoff as this is. And then this here is 3 more units that I have in production. I'm so happy with the design of the Indy air ramp that I decided to rush 3 more into production right away. And so we're going to do some quick tests. So I'll show you the parameters of the machine. I think you're going to like this a lot. Air ramp ratchet combo system. It's a revolutionary system.